Okay, so the next thing that we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about copy and the importance of copy. And that means I can take a room, like for example here, and if I want to take, for example, a hall bedroom, I can select that, or that's the master bedroom, excuse me. If I want to take a hall bedroom and duplicate that, master bedroom and duplicate that, I can select copy. As I do that, clicks on yes, and all I need to do is it brings up the room and I can rename it second master bedroom, and then change the dimensions if needed. It will automatically change my quantities. So as I hit scope, it will now take whatever scope that I had originally and then apply the new settings to that. And that's how easy it is for just copy. So a lot of people have not used that, but it's a good function that you could use that piece. Clone is exactly the same as copy, but two or more. So if I need to make two of these, I can select it. So as you can see, I have a copy of this one here on the second bedroom, and then all I would have to do is click edit and then make my change. So I'm going to get rid of these. Remember, I can come up and then select the second master, hit delete. I can only do it one at a time. So as I do that, that will give me my copy and clone option. The next thing that I want to talk about is a very important function we call group. And it's really nice using the group because this is good if you're doing RCBAPs or you're doing apartment complexes. Let's say that this right here is going to be my interior, but I have a unit, like for example, unit 101. I can create a group called unit 101, and you're going to see a yellow folder called unit 101. What I can do here is I can grab each individual one of these and I can grab it into unit 101. You just copy it. What it is you highlight the area, left click, and then drag. But what I'm going to do is I got this interior here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to drag a group within a group. So I'm going to take this interior and I'm going to place it right on unit 101. So as I do that and I select it, so it's if I was doing an apartment complex, I can then come up and there's my areas. Now what's nice about this is let's say that I have let me see if I have 4 units that I have to add so that I have 5 units in this apartment complex. I can come up here and select unit 101, and now this is where the clone option works really well. I can come up here and select this unit, so it's going to copy this scope, and then I'm going to select clone, and then when I hit clone, I'm going to hit 4 and then select OK. So now it's going to create me 4 different unit 101s. And the only thing I need to do would be to change the description of the group. So as you can see, it's copying all that scope and areas. That's going to save you a lot of time. So as I do that, I just click on the edit button, and now it's not unit 101, it's unit 2. And I just do that for the remaining. So as you can see, I'm doing that just by hitting the edit. And then if I need to make corrections to the area, I certainly may do so. So I have now unit 105. So I can even expand that even more. I've got all the units. I can make another group up called floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, and do the same action. So that's a really great feature.